On the driving test, you're going to be asked one show me, tell me question about your car before you head out on your test.
One of the questions is, how do you check that your tyre has sufficient tread, and what do you check for to make sure that your tyres are roadworthy? So the bare minimum within the central 3/4 here of the tread is 1.6 millimetres. If you can see that on that little gauge there, let's see how small that is. Really small, just enough to disperse the water. Let's check the tyre tread on this tyre. So the tyre tread on here is 4 mil, and that's the difference of what it looks like on the end. You then need to check the tyre wall just to make sure that there are no cuts and bulges.
If you found this video helpful, then give us a thumbs up and subscribe for future videos.